Extra Resources for Excel, Lesson 1. Hi everybody! In this first lesson of Extra Resources, we will discover how to protect our work in Excel. You have to know that the protection could be made at 2 levels. The first level is to disable the users to open the Excel file or the Excel book. The second level is to protect the content of a worksheet. I mean, disable the users to modify the content of a sheet and to protect a book. So the user can just look at the sheet without being able to change its content. I mean, not to delete and not to add new worksheets, since there are formulas that might link the different worksheets. We will start by launching the Excel program, creating a new book, drawing our table. Then proceed in protecting the book from being opened. This means that if you keep your computer open and another user came, he cannot open the workbook to see your sensitive data, since it is protected by a password. In order to protect your work not to be seen by other users, click on File, then Save As. Click on Browse in order to select the folder where your document will be saved. Give a name to your book, and before clicking on the Save button, open the Tools that is located on the left of the Save button. Select General Options. As you see, a window is opened asking you to type a password to open your document. I set my password. The computer will ask me another time to set it, just in case I made an error the first time. I save my document. I close the Excel document. And I try to open it again. As you will see, the document will not be opened unless you type a password. In order to remove this password, execute the command File, Save As. Then, again, click on Tools, General Options. All you have to do is delete the password. Now comes the time to protect the content of the worksheet from being modified. From the main menu, click on Preview, and as you can see, you have 2 buttons, Protect Sheet and Protect Workbook. If you click on Protect Sheet, you will be asked to type my password and then confirm it. Look how if I try to modify the content, I'm not able to do it. If you want to unprotect your worksheet, you click on Unprotect Sheet and type the same password another time to unprotect it. Look how you can now modify the content of the sheet. To protect the workbook from modifications, click on the menu Review, then on the button Protect Workbook. Again, you will be asked to type a password. Look how you cannot add a worksheet. Even you cannot rename it. Or you cannot delete it. As you can see, all the options related to the worksheet, like Insert, Delete, Rename, Move or Copy, even Hide and Unhide, are all disabled since the workbook is protected. To unprotect a workbook, press on Protect Workbook to activate all the functions, as you can see. Now it is your turn to practice the protection in Excel. Create a table in Excel that contains the identification of a client, name, address, telephone, email. Fill the table with at least 5 records. Then proceed in protecting the worksheet from being modified. And protect the workbook in order to disable the users to delete the worksheet. Thank you for watching our tutorial. And do follow us on our channels, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to receive more updates.